Horses out, we have top notcher pass to begin, moving up party so now Brother Barak subbing on in third, then comes Love Story, si Senyor Makisig, and going along for the first turn we have Brother Barak by about 2 lengths, top notcher in second, a length back in third, Love Story, moving up Makisig alongside si Senyor, and Sabinon trails the field by about 7 to 8 lengths up the pace, and it's still Brother Barak, and in second, top notcher si Senyor Rizari outside third, Love Story in fourth, then comes Makisig and Sabinon, and it's still Brother Barak by about 2 lengths, si Senyor now trying to get closer in second, Love Story in third, then comes top notcher Makisig and Sabinon, and it's still Brother Barak by about 2 lengths, si Senyor in second, Love Story, Makisig now coming closer on the outside to take second, but it's still Brother Barak by about 2 lengths, Love Story, Makisig on the outside, but it's still Brother Barak by about 5 lengths, and in second is Love Story, and in third comes Makisig, but it's still Brother Barak by about 6 lengths, and finally Brother Barak. Second, Love Story, then comes Makisig, si Senyor, top notcher, Sabinon. Na-upset niya.
Thank you very much, Commissioner Bobok Domingo and Coach Leo Isaac. Tuloy-tuloy po ang ligaya dito sa Manila Jockey Club. This is the continuation of the Manila Horsepower Racing Festival. At dito po sa race number 9, the Tropang Spice Makati Cup, nanalo po ang second choice na upset niya, yung top choice na si Makisig and si Senyor. Ito na po, papakilala ko po sa inyo kung sino-sino ang bumubuo ng Tropang Spice ng Makati. Ito ay kombinasyon ng mga young guns sa mga veterans. Alright, Councilor Arnold Magpantay, Councilor Romy Medina, Barangay Captain Benhar Cruz, Captain Yoyoy Cruz, Captain Vic Lobrio, Kapitan Mon España and Peña, at saka si Captain the Veteran Abong Guse. Alright, nandito ba si Kap Abong? Alright, medyo na veteran move, nagpapahinga na. Yan ang veteran move. At syempre kasama pa rin natin representing the host club, ang kaibigan ng Manila Horsepower, si Racing Manager Ding Magbuo. And the two ladies from Club 999 OTB in Airport Road. Ayan sila, kung gusto yung puntahan, nasa Airport Road lang sila. Alright, ang nanalo pong Brother Barak ay owned by Mr. Hermes Guerra. Tatawagin natin ngayon ang representative ni Mr. Hermes Guerra, Mr. Nestor Manalang. Ka Nestor, second time around. Upset? Chamba. Chamba. Alright. Ganyan ka-humble ang mga horse owner natin. Pero yung rider, Mr. Nestor Manala, mukhang confident na confident. Ha? Alright. Ayan po ang ating winning, representative ng winning owner, si Mr. Nestor Manalang. Tawagin naman natin ang tatanggap ng mountain bike and a medal, ang winning groom. Boss Nestor, sino ang sota mo? Si Jake. Alright, Jake. Tama-tama to. Pare sa kayo, kung mountain bike. Ayan si Jake. Tatanggap siya ng medal. Asan yung medal natin, sir? Ito na. Boss Chris. Yung medal natin. Kalimutan ni Chris. Alright. Wait lang. Wow muna para. Tinan mo. Kung bagay na bagay sa figura mo yan. Alright. Ano masasabi mo sa mountain bike? Mapapakinabangan pa to dito?
Magiging service po sa quadra to.
Alright. Boss Ding, pare-parehong sagot nila. Mapapakinabangan sa quadra. Talagang malaking bagay. At ito na ang hinihintay nila. Oh, alright. Tupa sa kabila. Ayan, dalawa yan eh. Alright, once again, maraming salamat po sa congratulations kay Mr. Hermes Guerra, represented by Mr. Trainer Nestor Manalang, at ang kanyang sota, at ang Tropang Spice ng Makati. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And we will be right back for the Rick Aquino Exercise Rider Cup. Coming up next, that's race number 10.